wants it. What do you think?
Moosey moo.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, I don't think she likes that.
Say, that's not Nana's. It's not Nana's, is it? Not carrots. Say, yuck. Say, yuck, I don't like this.
You need to get something.
You want to try again?
Wipe it off her a bit.
You want something else?
Here, I'll get a paper towel. Momo. Are you just gonna feed her the whole bowl because you think her face is funny?
See, I don't like it. I don't like it. See, I want something else. You think I should give her something
Hey,
else?
Mosey Moo. I think you're gonna have a cranky baby if you don't.
Hang on. What else do you want?
Momo.
I know, I'm sorry. Hang on, hang on. I'm gonna get you something else. I'm gonna get you something else.
Hey, it's not all that, baby. Hey, you're okay.
No, look, here's some peas. This'll be better.
Oh, that's a...
Not better? Say, where's the carrots? Where's the nanas? Oh, look. Good girl.
Clean that fool's chin off.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you some more. Look.
That's better, isn't it, baby girl?
She said, don't ever feed me that nasty stuff again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna give you some more, okay? Is that good? Mm-hmm. You're doing so good. Okay. I'm gonna give you some more.